can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.
Good day, everyone! For your hot shots for today, my name is Chef Balingit, and today with me is my mommy. She will be my sous chef. What's your name, mommy?
I'm Mommy Neth. Hello.
And welcome to our Salad Master Healthy Cooking Challenge. Defeat Corona by cooking healthy foods.
Yes.
So we were challenged kanino? Challenge accepted by Veneth Saladmaster.
Go!
Today, we just want to inspire everyone how to optimize their health and immune system, because we know today po we are locked down. There's home quarantine because of the COVID-19, and one way to help you is to entertain you. Gawa na lang tayo ng something positive. So here's some positive things that we can do sa ating bahay during our home quarantine. Some of the positive things are, number one, of course, is to social distance yourself first, and then practice yung personal hygiene, and then you, of course, sanitize, no? And then, of course, we need to take care of ourselves by preparing and eating healthy, no? Nutritious, and easy, simple, affordable dishes with high nutritional value to boost our immune system.
Yes.
Diba, ma?
Yes.
Kasi ang target ngayon ay immune system boosters. Okay. So, here are the Pinoy dishes, healthy dishes na i-prepare natin today. Ano yun, mother? Ano yung number one recipe mo?
So, ang number one recipe po natin is yung Greaseless Pinakbet Tagalog.
Okay.
With dahon ng malunggay.
Okay, kakaiba siya, pero actually nakikita na rin natin to. Bidang-bida ngayon si malunggay because this is rich in vitamin C. Alright, Manny, so ano ba ang sangkap at ano yung gagamitin mo?
So, ang unang gagawin po natin ngayon is, eto po pala yung mga sangkap natin. Bawang, sibuyas, pork, and kamatis, and the bagoong. So, unang gagawin po natin ngayon is yung sauteing muna our pork.
Okay, so what we're using right now is the 10-inch gourmet pan.
Yes.
And what's amazing right now is we can do with greaseless saute, no oil. So this is much more healthier right now. So we're thankful and we're blessed kasi we can do this style of home cooking. But again, we want just to share yung recipe. So kahit ano po yung lutuan nyo, this is what we can do right now is to prepare healthy dishes like this for our family. Right, ma?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
The next step po is to put in yung yung sibuyas, garlic, and kamatis. But let me explain first. Bakit ba pinakbet ang pinili namin? Okay, there are nutritional values. Garlic
na natin to.
Yes. Yung ating garlic kasi is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6. Okay, and it has an antibacterial property. You know what? I really love garlic. Ako yung person na garlicky, na gusto ko siya kasi aside from the flavor, it's really very healthy. And nowadays, we need to eat a lot of this one. No? Garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene.
Yes.
Lycopene. So it's a good antioxidant. Now we can put the onion naman and yung garlic.
Yes. Ilalagay na po natin ngayon yung garlic. Sasayin muna natin. Kailangan po mag-brown muna yung garlic para mas malasa siya.
Alright, so sabay-sabay po, ganito po yung Salad Master way.
Ganyan ang pag-oong.
After po ng konting, mga 2 minutes lang na sinutate, no, i-add na po lahat, pati po yung bagoong. this is just good for, kasi 4 lang po kami ngayon sa bahay, kaya hindi po namin maraming dinalihan, niluluto namin. Enough lang. So,
Enough lang. Good for
dahil kung
4
quarantine tayo, lockdown, so kailangan sa budget, savings din po, ayun po, kailangan matuto daw po tayong
tipid-tipid. Yes, tipid-tipid.
Okay.
So, lagyan na po natin yung mga vegetables. So, unahin po natin yung sitaw.
Lahat na po, ma'am. Actually po, lahat po
Sitaw,
yan nilalagay.
kalabasa, okra, ampalaya, and the talong.
Okay, by the way,
Bakit lang po natin?
how many minutes, mami?
15 to 18 minutes lang po ito.
15 minutes.
So, ang huli po
Okay, so while waiting for our pinakbet to be cooked, it's only 15 to 18 minutes po, no? And it's only medium fire. By the way, this is the gourmet pan na 10-inch, and this is stove top. So today naman, syempre ang kapartner dapat yan is healthy din. So we chose na ito, kasi madali lang naman bilhin ito, no? Bangus. Daing po na bangus. Alam na natin isang cup. This is salt, pepper, garlic, and vinegar. And I really love garlic. I told you, I really love garlic. So kayo po, damihan niyo po yung garlic kasi healthy po yung garlic. It's rich in vitamin C, antibacterial property, high in antioxidant nga ho siya. And then there's vinegar. Yung vinegar din po is antioxidant. And then, yung isda na bangus is, it has a major nutrients that we can get from it. Ano yun? Vitamin B12, and it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It's a good source of protein. Now, how do we cook the Saladmaster way po? Kasi, no, ang kagandahan po kaya po healthy po, it's greaseless, no oil. So, it's healthy. No oil. So, this was preheated to 30 degrees Celsius. Ang gagawin na, so 5 minutes na preheat na, ilalagay lang po. By the way, ang ganda dito, we can fry without oil. Yung iba nag-fry ng chicken without oil. Pwede daw bang fish? Ito na yon. So, do it. Okay. In the pan. Actually, hindi ko na nilagyan ng water. Iba nagwa-water test pa, no? Pero after 5 minutes, it's really hot now. So, we're just going to put the bangus. And then, ako, semi-covered lang po siya. Okay. Yung bangus po, we can flip it after 8 minutes, and then after 7 minutes, tapos na po siya. That's it. That's the healthy dishes. We'll see you later after yung finished product check natin. So, again, we want to thank everyone, and we pray and hope that everybody's safe at home. Maglalabas kasi alam natin, hindi po labas, and let's keep praying that this pandemic will end soon, that but know that God is in control, and then kung walang magawa,
stay at home.
Let's think of positive things that we can do, and of course, and pray. Let's think of how we can take care of our own health. You know, everyone is excited to go out. Actually, dito kami sa labas ng bahay ngayon kasi namimiss na talaga namin lumabas. That's why we chose to conduct our cooking show sa labas. Sa presko this summer.
Yes. So, after 15 minutes, eto na po ang ating finished product ng ating greaseless, waterless pinakbet na Tagalog.
Yay! Ready to eat!
Ready to eat.
Actually, ito. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. So, babalik na rin po na ho siya. Babalik na rin na natin ang ating daing na bangus. See? Healthy. Nag-release pa rin po yung bangus na natural oil. So, it's healthy. Yan, sarap siya. Ternonong pinakbet. Okay, so binaligtad na ho natin siya. Hindi ko na siya tatakpan. Hayaan na natin siya maluto kasi ang ganda sa Saladmaster, iwanan mo na siya dyan dahil maluluto na rin mo siya dyan dahil it has this timer feature. So, very safe at home. You can leave what you're cooking inside the pan. Alright! Ito na po ngayon ang ating finished product, Mami.
Yes.
Ito po
ang
yung
ating greaseless, healthy, at waterless pinakbet na Tagalog.
And this is our...
And, as you can see, meron sabaw po siyang konti.
Okay, nag-release yung juices from the vegetable itself. So, actually, kung hindi po kumakain ng gulay, mga anak nyo, ito na lang pong sabaw daw ang ilagay sa kanin nyo. So, ito na po ang ating greaseless daing na bangus. Happy, healthy cooking. By the way, if you ever like this video or nag-enjoy po kayo, please put a like and please help us to create this awareness and let us share this positive video sa FB world, sa social media world. So, like and share the video. Thank you very much and God bless po. Bye! Okay, I want to challenge, since this is a challenge, we want to challenge Imelda Spalding to do this video. So, thank you very much po ulit. Bye!
Bye!